Today in this video, we'll be guiding you through the process of transferring money from your Wisely card to Cash App. Start by opening Cash App on your phone. On the home screen, tap the profile icon located in the top right corner. This will bring you to a new screen. From here, scroll down and select Link Banks. Now, tap on Link Debit Card. You will now need to enter your Wisely card details. First, input your card number, then add the expiry date, 3-digit CVV. Finally, provide your zip code, which is the same as your postal code. Once you've filled in all the details, tap the Link Card button in the bottom right. Your card is now linked. Next, head back to your home screen of Cash App. Tap the bank icon in the bottom left corner to go to next screen. Here, click on Add Cash. A pop-up will appear. Either select a present amount or tap the three dots to enter the specific amount you want. Once done, tap Add Cash at the bottom. Enter your Cash App PIN to confirm, and you're good to go. And that's how you transfer money from your Wisely card to Cash App. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more.